What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got a special guest in the house today. Muchacho!
What's going on, guys? How's everybody doing?
Mooch life.
Yeah, Mooch.
AKA Muchacho, AKA Mooch, AKA Mark.
My wife would say beep hole, beep head.
Oh.
That's about it.
And the dogs, Jackson, Jefferson. Lauren's over there. She doesn't want me to film her because she's in like her sweatpants
Well, I think
and
I'm
stuff.
okay.
Today, we're gonna do something cool. It is time to make the 69 Camaro a little louder. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. A little bit louder never hurts anyone.
Loud noises!
Oh yeah. So, Mark's your first time riding in a first gen, isn't it?
First time ever in one. Should be exciting. Congratulations on your bucket list item.
Well, thank you.
Yeah.
What's gonna be exciting is trying to start this thing because it's 30 degrees out. But I think we're gonna get it started. What do you think? First or second try?
Oh, it's first try. It's not a Ford. First try every time.
Oh, see, now you're gonna jinx me. Here we go. Oh yeah.
First
try.
Baby. Chevy life.
That's right. So it needs to be a little louder. It's not that loud. It might sound loud in the video, but it's not. I'm talking with slight volume in a garage, mind you. So first we gotta load the exhaust, which is in my other garage. So we're gonna open this up. There's my old headers from the Freedom Rocket. And here is the new, well not new, but the exhaust that I was given with the car. Guy had it on before. He said it's a Flowmaster, but I don't think it's an actual Flowmaster. I think it's one of those parent company brands because I don't see Flowmaster on the muffler, but we'll see how it sounds when we get it up on the car. I don't really care. I mean, it was a free exhaust, so I might as well use it, see how it sounds. All right, exhaust is loaded up, strapped down. Now it's time for Mark's first ride.
Oh yeah. I kind of have a boner.
Mark's got a Ranger.
Yeah, so this is the type of car that like you could probably pick up a lot of chicks in. This is like America right here.
We're gonna have to get a good acceleration here because we're gonna need a comparison after we get the exhaust on too.
Yeah, you can do that right now.
Yeah. Woo! Yeah, baby.
Oh yeah.
Now, I wasn't revving it out all the way, but
It's quick. You're used to so much horsepower, so much speed, but this thing goes.
it isn't like slow by any means, but it's not fast by any means either. But the thing is, like, it's got some, pickup. Yeah, a little tire
second
share.
gear.
That's right.
Yeah, dude. Yeah.
Thing shifts good too.
Yeah, it's smooth, dude. This
Yeah.
thing runs good. It sounds
yeah.
good. We're
Hell
gonna make it
yeah.
sound better, but
Hell yeah.
yeah, man. See, and that's all you need. Like, this is the type of car, like, you don't need, 0 to 60 in 2 seconds.
Yes, I do. All right, so we're arriving now. My friend Francis and Tom, we're here. Francis is giving me his lift for a few hours here to put the exhaust on. Oh, there he is opening the garage right now. So this is a before shot of the exhaust idling. Tom's sensitive knows we can't, what?
It stinks, man. I can't take it.
I love the smell of fumes in the morning. The smell of napalm.
How many old cars have you owned?
20.
20? So you're about sick of
I
it.
had 2 of these.
You're about sick of the smell.
Well, now my Camaro smells because I ain't getting the cats on these.
Oh, that's true. Yeah, see. What's up, dude? What's up, bro? How you doing? How you? Good. What more do you got done on your car?
Not much.
Not much. It looks like more's been done. What's that?
We got the floors and stuff in.
Yeah.
Bullshit stuff.
Yeah.
Still got ways to go.
So when's it gonna be done? Yeah, that's right. I asked him when his car's gonna be done. He just goes, haha.
I'd love to see that on the road.
Oh, hell yeah.
My wife goes, "Hey, what are you doing today?"
Yeah.
I said, buddy's coming over. We got to put exhaust on his car.
Yeah.
She goes, "Oh, you putting it on the lift?" I said, "Yeah." She said, "Well, my oil needs changed. You gonna do that?"
Oh, see?
Well, I'm on the frame here, Tom.
Well, yeah, you got a frame up there.
Yeah,
I
you
don't.
figure it out back there.
This is a freaking pan car.
Hold on a second here. So that goes up and over the axle. Right? Yeah, it's like right there.
This looks like he had a tab, Tom. Like this is right here.
Yep.
Hang this, see what connection you need to make.
They do sell them slip columns. That,
Yeah.
Like Pet Boys.
Yeah.
Why do you take this off?
It's too loud.
Too loud.
Yeah, I know.
It had headers.
It had to have, yeah. There's no way it connected without that. See,
And it's a 3-volt 3-inch, so it probably had a small block in it. He did all this when he put the other motor in.
yeah, it had a 350 in it.
Yeah. And that's when this exhaust was on the car.
Yeah.
Top.
I mean, it's like half inch. Half inch that way would be perfect. We need to get this off.
Oh, it's inside.
Yep. Lube it up.
Oh, that's it.
Gotta lube it.
We break out the big can.
A little deeper. I'm sure you're not used to hearing that.
So, what we had to do was, because this car doesn't have headers, it's just manifolds. The factory piping goes up to the manifold, and this exhaust is meant for a car with headers. So, what we did was we had to cut the flange off the exhaust, cut the pipe off, and essentially slide one in the other, and then we'll clamp it together. This side fits okay. This side over here was too short, so we had to extend it. We had to get a little creative, because none of us know how to weld. And that's what we got going on for now. If I like the exhaust and the way it sounds, I'll have it welded up. So we got everything up, clamped in. Everything's together. A lot of clamps here, but like I said before, if I like it, I'm just gonna get it welded in. This is kind of like I guess it's more of a temporary thing to see how it sounds. And then back here, like these bolts were already here. All we had to do is throw a nut on there and it clamps up right there. Nice and even. And then back here, the two pipes come out of both mufflers. They go up and around the axle. And then right up here, until they clamp or bolt into the frame. So that worked out nice. Everything fit real nice, and these tips came down perfect. Nice clearance. I put these finishing tips on it to make it look better, because right now, regular piping, like stainless steel piping look. So I got like a polished tip.
Just the tip?
Just the tip. That's right. So if you look from the back, it'll look nice. Coming down on the sides like that. We were thinking about painting the mufflers black, but I don't think you're really going to see them too much. What?
Up there in that electrical box up there, he's worried about where the antenna hits.
Oh, look at that thing.
Yeah, look at that ghetto box.
Yeah. Wait a second.
His master electrician buddy, Mr. Liddick, didn't do that.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That looks good. We'll start her up. New exhaust. So this is a before shot of the exhaust idling. Sounds good. Yeah, it's definitely a lot louder. Well, not a lot, but it's louder. It's not loud enough for me yet still, but it's got a nice like deep tone to it.
Getting a little bit.
All right, so now that we got the exhaust on, and it sounded pretty killer, I must say. It's like a little bit louder, but a lot deeper. So that in itself, that deeper rumble makes it seem a lot louder, or just louder in general. Ooh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah. That sounds good, don't it?
You know what? It's reminding me of the 17 first gear at low speeds. A little teeny bit.
Yeah, it's a nice mix of engine and exhaust.
So where are we going to go? Pick up some MILFs at Sheets? Give it a little puncheroni.
A little puncheroni.
A little puncheroni. Oh yeah. It's amazing how the car just keeps accelerating, but you never break the speed limit.
All right, so we got a bridge here. We're gonna see how it sounds going under the bridge. Oh yeah, chirping them tires in second gear.
I didn't know you were gonna do that.
Oh yeah. I had to sometime. We're gonna stop at my parents' house because obviously we gotta show my dad the new exhaust since he was saying how he wanted that to be the next thing done to the car.
Oh,
so
okay.
I wonder if he's even home. Hey, me. I just put the exhaust on the car.
Let me get a jacket on.
All right, ready for the dad approval.
Oh yeah.
You gotta get the approval from dad.
Kid tested, dad approved.
Hurry up, I want to hear it, man.
All right, Mark, start her up.
Oh, Mark.
Well, how you doing?
All right, buddy. Good to see you. Good to see you, man.
See, I put them tips on there to finish it off nice.
Nice. Yeah.
Sound better?
Heck yeah. Just like my car, man.
Give it a few revs, Mark.
It doesn't sound quiet now.
No, it's good.
How's it sound when you're driving it?
Sounds good. It's like when you get in the higher RPMs, it's similar, but like
Yeah.
low like this, it's definitely a difference, you know?
He's gonna take off.
Yeah, right.
See you later.
Yeah.
That was great. Glad you put those on, man.
What?
I'm glad you can't even hear. I said, I'm glad you put those back on.
Yep.
It's got that deeper sound, you know?
Yep. We had to cut it, and then we had to cut the original exhaust pipe, and then we had to meet them up and clamp them together,
right.
you
Oh,
know,
I see.
because there wasn't anywhere to connect it because there's no header on this car.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
we had to kind of make it work, but
Is that new? That looks pretty new, that exhaust system.
oh yeah, it's definitely new. The guy barely had it on the car.
Oh, yeah?
And he said it was too loud. Probably because he had headers on too.
Yeah.
So it is probably louder with headers.
I like those tips on there, pointing down at the ground like that. That's
Yeah.
cool.
Matches the chrome bumper. Everything
Yeah.
looks good.
Yeah.
We got the approval.
Definitely. Definitely, yeah.
Oh yeah. Right next to my buddy. Thing sounds good though. Love this car. Can't believe I finally have one. Like, I can't believe I finally got one. Well guys, there it is. New exhaust on the 69 Camaro. Sounds awesome. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments. I don't know how it's gonna sound on the video footage for you guys, but it sounds amazing in person. So leave a comment below, let me know what you think. So next for this car, like I said when we were driving, is definitely gonna be a new rear gear. After that, I have a few other things in mind I want to do. I'm not going to go crazy. I'm not going to make it a drag car. I'm not going to do anything like that. I bought this to be a driver's car, and that's what it's going to be, and that's what it's going to stay. So I got a lot of awesome ideas in the distant future, but more in the near future. I have some little things I want to do to the car just to make drivability a little better and just to make it an enjoyable car this year. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you're coming here for the first time and watching me, definitely hit that subscribe button for more classic content, more classic Camaro content. And as always, have a great day.